Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, trip computer, power door locks, rear defrost, tilt steering wheel, bucket seats, wipers, variable speed intermittent. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.